Hello, I'm Xander Patton, and school is now obsolete because today I'm going to be explaining chemistry in a nutshell. Matter is anything that takes up space. Examples include Rosie O'Donnell and the Sony Walkman. Matter can be classified by any of the three categories: solid, liquid, and gas. Human waste fits into all three. All matter is made up of atoms. Little did you know that these atoms can in fact be counted. Only the most advanced scientific technology can explain the complexities of the chemical equation, but I will make an attempt to explain how they can be used to count atoms. You see this number right here? Yeah, that's the number of this particular type of atom. Another bit of information about matter is that size, state, and texture are physical properties, and flammability, reactivity, and the ability to rust are all chemical properties. Properties change, and water doesn't change temperature when changing states. This is Rutherford's model, this is Bohr's model, and here's a model airplane. Flames change color because the mix of energy differences of each atom causes a different color of fire depending on the type of sodium ion. Subatomic particles were invented by Owen Wilson, and they are the even smaller parts of things that atoms are made of. Atoms come in different sizes called isotopes, and the average size between them is the average atomic mass. At the climax of the Second World War, Edwin Howard Armstrong organized the elements water, earth, wind, and fire into the periodic table of the elements, which was sorted by the types of orbitals and energy levels in each element. Armstrong also invented one of the most inefficient ways of counting electrons, known as the Electron Configuration. The Electron Configuration lists each electron in orbit of an atom using the letters S, P, D, and F. In the year 1902, Louis Capaldi invented the Lewis structure to depict molecules. This model shows the bonds such as rivalry and friendship shared between the atoms within a molecule. Elements bond through their hardships and become stronger along the way. The two types of bonds atoms can have are covalent bonds, which are weak and non-conductive, and ionic bonds, which are strong and conductive. There are also hydrogen bonds, which are just special ionic bonds between hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Since the dawn of time, an ancient race called the Jedi have been using the intermolecular force to keep molecules bonded together. A pH of over 7 means a substance is basic, and a pH lower than 7 means a substance is acidic. An example of an acid would be hot sauce, and an example of a base would be bleach. Charles Barkley, Susan Boyle, and Gay-Lussac, who are all members of the U.S. Parliament, created a set of laws that nature must follow. These laws predict the behavior of particles and gases in chemistry. Now you know everything you could possibly need to know about chemistry, because this is chemistry in a nutshell.